Okay, gross national product. Now, if you see the formula of GNP, the formula for GNP is, you can say, GDP plus net factor income. Okay, GDP plus net factor income. Now, what is this net factor income means? Okay, so if you see, net factor income is, net factor income is income earned by Indians, income earned by Indians, or you can say citizens outside India, minus income earned by foreigners within India. Okay, so this is net factor income. Okay, so you can say income earned by citizens outside India minus income earned by foreigners within India. Okay, now if you see in case of India, okay, in case of India, okay, will our GDP is more or GNP is more? Okay, if I compare, is India is having, you can say, more GDP, means GDP is more than GNP, or so there are two conditions, okay, which you can tell me which we have. Case 1 is GDP is more than GNP. Case 2, we have GDP less than GNP. Okay, which is our case? Please tell me. In India, what is the case? Please tell me. Case 1, case 2. Everyone. Yes. Very good, Karan. Please tell me. Case 1, very good. Those who are saying more GNP, they are wrong. Those who are saying more GDP, they are correct. So in India, we have this scenario. So I am circle, or you can say marking with red. So we have this scenario, GDP is more than GNP. So if you see, in our case, this net factor income is negative. Means what Indians are earning outside. Okay, so you can understand in this way. For example, GDP is 100. I am just taking one hypothetical number. For example, GDP is 100. Okay, and Indians earning outside. Okay, Indian earning outside is, for example, they are earning outside is, you can say, 20. Okay, and income earned by foreigners within the country is, for example, you can take 50. Okay, so when you calculate net factor income, it comes out to be 20 minus 50. So it means minus 30. Okay, so your GNP will be 100 minus 30, so it comes out to be 70. Okay, it comes out to be 70. Now basically, what is the objective of calculating gross national product? So basically, when we are using our national, it means income earned by Indians, irrespective of final goods or intermediate goods. हम उसकी बात नहीं कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर. We are here interested to know that whatever income earned by Indians from all over the world, including our own country. Okay, this is the main purpose of calculating GNP. Okay, अब इसमें ऐसा नहीं हो रहा कि इनकम सही में ट्रांसफर हो रही है नहीं हो रही. मे बी foreigner is keeping Indian money within the India itself, but we want to see that our economy, or you can say by comparing GDP and GNP, you will understand this thing that our GDP is dependent on foreigners or Indians. Okay, foreigners or Indians. Clear? So this is you have to understood. Okay, so this the value of GNP, the value of GNP will tell you this thing that the income earned by, okay, so you can say value of GNP will tell you this thing that income earned by all the Indians, income earned by all the Indians from the world including India, but obviously India is a part of world, okay, including India. Okay, value of, you can say GNP is income earned by all the Indians from the world including India. Okay, including India. Okay, so this is what you have to understand. Okay, now this is the scenario in India. So in case of India, GDP is more than GNP. So can we say, when this is the situation, so can we say that in our GDP, okay, in our GDP there is a contribution of foreigners. Okay, in our GDP there is a contribution of foreigners. Clear? So GDP is more than GNP. Okay, so this is what you have to understood. Okay, now you can take another hypothetical case. Okay, so ultimately, if suppose this number is, other numbers are same, if suppose this number is 100, if suppose this number is 100, so in that case our net factor income is 20 minus 100, so it comes out to be minus 80. Okay, minus 80. Now if you calculate GNP in this case, okay, if you calculate GNP in this case, so GNP will be 100 minus 80, so it is 20. So you can understand, income earned by the Indians from all over the country, or all over the world, sorry, not country, all over the world including India, is only 20. So it means, if this is a scenario, can we say with the surety, okay, can we say with the surety that our economy or our GDP itself is dependent on foreigners? So means foreigners are coming from outside and they are working in our country. Okay, although we are not interested in this ki they take back money back or not, we are not talking about that, but point is this, our dependency is on foreigner. Okay, our dependency is on foreigner. Clear? So this is the concern. Is it clear to you? मैं बारी बारी यही बोल रहा हूं, हम यहां पर ये नहीं देख रहे कि अगर हो सकता है कि फॉरेनर पर्सन इज अर्निंग मनी इन इंडिया, ओके, एंड दे रिमेन इन इंडिया इटसेल्फ, हम उसकी बात नहीं कर रहे, वो पैसा वो इंडिया में ही रख रहा है, बाहर लेके जा रहा है, हमारा वो कंसर्न है ही नहीं यहाँ पर. हमारा कंसर्न यहाँ पर ये देखना है कि हमारी जो इकोनॉमी है किसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट चल रही है. ओके, सो बेसिकली व्हेन यू कंपेयर जीडीपी जीएनपी डेटा, सो यू विल सी अबाउट डिपेंडेंसी, कि जो हम जीडीपी में प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं फाइनल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज, क्या वो इंडियंस प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं या कोई और प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है. ओके, क्या वो इंडियंस प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं या कोई और प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, और हमारे इंडियंस बाहर जाके दूसरों की जीडीपी में कितना प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं और वहां से कितना इनकम कमा रहे हैं, चाहे वो इनकम वापस नहीं लेके आ रहे इंडिया में, बट हम यहां देखना चाहते हैं इंडियंस दूसरे की जीडीपी में जाके कितना कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं. क्लियर? Is it clear? क्लियर? तो दोबारा एक स्टूडेंट ने पूछा, सर व्हाट इफ इंडियन सिटीजन वर्किंग अब्रॉड डज नॉट सेंड रेमिटेंसेस, डज दैट? मैंने बेटा दोबारा बोल रहा हूं आपको, हमारा यहाँ पर ये कंसर्न है ही नहीं कि आप जो भी कमा रहे हो आप भेज रहे हो घर पे, नहीं भेज रहे, हमारा वो कंसर्न ही नहीं है. आवर कंसर्न इज दिस, वी वांट टू सी दैट आवर इकोनॉमी इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन how many, you can say, foreigners, and you can say our Indians are contributing आउटसाइड ऑल्सो, क्लियर। सो हम एक तरह से वो देखना चाहते हैं यहाँ पर, क्लियर क्लियर। तो एक तरह से हम यहाँ पर क्या कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं, ओके। सो बेसिकली अगर आप ये देखोगे, अगर जीडीपी और जीएनपी का गैप बढ़ता गया, सो लाइक इन आवर केस जीडीपी इज मोर देन जीएनपी, okay. So right now current situation is this, this is the current situation, and if suppose this gap will further widen, okay, and if suppose this gap will further widen, so it will indicate कि in our economy, so it will indicate two things, okay. Number one, कि in our economy or in India, majority of final goods and services are produced by outsiders, means not by citizens, okay, outsiders, or you can say non citizens. Number two, okay, our citizens are contributing less outside, okay, outside the country, clear. So एक तरह से हम ये चाहते हैं कि अगर कोई और हमारी टेरिटरी में आके प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, या तो हम उसको compete करें, अदरवाइज हम कहीं और से जाके, उनकी कंट्री से जाके या किसी और कंट्री से जाके और इनकम कमाएं, ओके। पैसे की कमी नहीं चाहिए अपने को, क्लियर। सो दिस इज व्हाट वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन, क्लियर, ओके, क्लियर। तो अगर ये गैप बढ़ता गया तो दिस विल बी द इट इंडिकेट, ओके। सो एक बार एज्यूम कर लो, ऑल्दो दिस इज हाइपोथेटिकल, इफ सपोज दिस गैप इंक्रीज्ड, okay, if this gap increased, clear. So ultimately you can say, when I am saying gap increased, if suppose this is the condition, GDP is 100, GNP is 20, so if suppose all, you can say, non-citizens in India, they decided that they want to leave India, so what will happen to the economy? Immediately economy will get disturbed, okay, immediately this economy will get disturbed, okay. And in case if GDP or GNP is equal, okay, in that scenario also, okay, in that scenario also, if people go outside, then we will recall our citizens back, okay, Indian diaspora, okay, Indian diaspora, okay. So अगर GDP और GNP बराबर भी हो गए, तो अगर सपोज कर लो कि हमारा GDP 100 चल रहा है, okay, 100 चल रहा है, and assume that all whatever final goods and services we are producing, that is produced by foreigners itself, okay, plus at the same time our Indians are also working outside, okay, our Indians are also working outside and they are also earning 100 rupees. So in that case GDP and GNP will be equal. So in that case, if foreigner decided to go outside, then we will call our Indians, okay, then we will call our Indians, or you can say Indian diaspora, clear.